But before that, we must discuss the hidden enemy that might be sabotaging all your hard work without you even realizing it every single day. The fifth and final superfood is anything rich in vitamin C. Without this essential vitamin, the collagen you eat cannot form a stable structure. Think of vitamin C as the crosslinker. It takes the loose strands of collagen and weaves them into a tough, resilient fabric that can handle heavy mechanical loads. Adding a squeeze of lime to your broth or eating bell peppers with your fish ensures that your body has the tools to lock that collagen into place. Guava and red bell peppers actually contain much more vitamin C than oranges, making them elite choices for anyone serious about restoring their joint health. This structural integrity is what allows your cartilage to bounce back after you walk, preventing the micro tears that lead to chronic inflammation and long-term pain. Now the warning. All your efforts will be wasted if you consume high amounts of liquid sugar, especially in the evening hours before you sleep. Sugar causes a process called glycation. This effectively caramelizes your joints, making the cartilage stiff, brittle, and very prone to cracking and further degeneration. Glycation also makes your joint fluid, sticky, and thick, like old, dirty oil. Instead of Boytron, it actually creates more friction and damage with every move. To protect your joints, avoid sodas, desserts, and hidden sugars at night. Give your night shift a clean environment to work in for the best results. When you lower your sugar intake, your body can finally focus on repair rather than fighting the oxidative stress caused by those high glucose spikes in the blood. You now have the 5 golden superfoods and the one enemy to avoid. But how do we put this into a plan that actually works for you? Remember the 3 golden rules: prioritize healthy fats, eliminate evening sugars, and give your body at least 12 weeks to show real cellular change. Biological change takes time. 12 weeks is the minimum period required for your cartilage cells to cycle and build a significant new structural matrix of tissue. Do not get discouraged if you don't feel perfect in 3 days. Trust the science of your own biology and keep providing those building blocks every day. Age is just a number. It does not have to mean the end of your freedom. Your joints can be strong and resilient at any age with care. Let your food be your medicine. Let your dinner be the raw material for your body's amazing nighttime transformation and your path to a pain-free life. You have the power to change how you feel. Start with one small change tonight and watch how your body responds. With gratitude and newfound strength. This is your roadmap to recovery. 5 foods, one simple goal to rebuild the cushion that keeps you moving through the world with joy and ease. I wish you peaceful nights of deep rest and mornings where you wake up ready to take on the world with steady, confident, and painless steps. Thank you for watching. Please share this with someone who needs to hear that there is hope for their joint pain and a way to heal naturally. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the science of longevity and health. Your journey to a better life starts with the right information. Good luck on your journey, take care of your joints, and we will see you in the next video for more health secrets and expert advice. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night feeling a sharp, stinging pain deep inside your knees that just won't seem to go away? Many people believe that after the age of 60, drying cartilage is an inevitable rule of nature that simply cannot be changed or reversed by medicine. Modern medicine has finally proven the opposite. Your joints are not just lifeless pieces of bone, but living entities capable of powerful self-recovery during your sleep. The secret lies in providing your body with the correct building materials to repair the damage while you rest during the most critical hours of the night. I am here to tell you that degeneration is not your destiny. Your body is a remarkable machine designed to heal if given the right support. Today, we will explore the biological secrets of cartilage restoration and the 5 golden superfoods that can help you regain your mobility and enjoy active years. Cartilage has a unique rhythm. While you sleep, a specialized biological night shift begins working to rebuild the structures worn down by your daily activities. To unlock this recovery, we must understand the chemistry of the synovial fluid, the essential oil that keeps your mechanical joints moving without any friction. By the end of this video, you will have a complete nutritional roadmap to stop the pain and start the rebuilding process from within your cells. Let us dive into the science of biofriction and discover why your joints might be starving for the nutrients they need to stay flexible and strong. Imagine walking without hesitation, climbing stairs without a wince, and waking up feeling refreshed instead of stiff and sore every single day of your life. Why does the pain usually worsen at night? This is actually when your body is trying hardest to regenerate glycosaminoglycans, the primary components for hydration. Cartilage acts like a biological sponge. If it lacks the raw materials to hold on to water, it becomes brittle, thin, and loses its essential shock-absorbing capabilities. Nutrients don't reach cartilage through direct blood flow. They must permeate through the fluid. If your diet is poor, this delivery system essentially shuts down. Think of a dry joint like an engine without oil. Without that protective layer, the metal-on-metal grinding creates heat, inflammation, and eventual catastrophic structural failure. When the night shift lacks bricks and mortar, the body produces inflammatory signals instead of repairs. This is the source of that deep, aching nighttime throb. By activating your endogenous production of joint fluid through specific nutrition, you can flip the switch from destruction back to a state of healthy renewal. These complex molecules are the building blocks of your joint's resilience. Without them, your cartilage cannot withstand the weight of your own body during movement. We often ignore our joints until they scream in pain, but the biological machinery for repair is always there, waiting for the right fuel to start. The goal is to transform your stiff, rusty joints back into smooth, gliding surfaces through a targeted approach that addresses the root cause of the wear. This isn't about temporary masks for pain. It is about changing the chemical environment inside your joint capsule to favor growth and long-term structural stability. Your sleep quality and joint health are deeply intertwined. When you fix the nutrition, you improve the sleep, and when you sleep, the joints heal faster. Let us look at how we can restart your internal joint lubricant factory by using the powerful ingredients found in nature's most effective healing foods. Are you ready to learn about the 5 superfoods that will change the way you feel every morning? Let us begin with the foundation of repair. The first group is fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel. These are not just protein, they are gold mines of high-quality omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are transformed by your body into resolvins. These are biological cleaners that actively sweep away the inflammatory debris that accumulated in your joints today. By eating fatty fish 3 times a week, you provide the anti-inflammatory power needed to shut down the pain signals before they keep you awake at night. Resolvins actually signal your immune system to stop attacking your own joint tissue, effectively putting out the fire that causes the swelling and the stiffness. The second superfood is slow-cooked bone broth. This ancient remedy is the richest natural source of type 2 collagen, the very substance cartilage is made of. When simmered slowly, the collagen hydrolyzes into tiny peptides that your body can easily absorb and transport directly to your starving joints for immediate structural use. Drinking a cup of bone broth daily provides the specific amino acids, like glycine and proline, that act as the scaffolding for new, healthy cartilage growth. This hydrolyzed collagen is perfectly compatible with human cartilage, helping to thicken the protective cushion between your bones and preventing painful bone-on-bone contact. Combining these two, fatty fish for cleaning and bone broth for building, creates a powerful synergy that begins the restoration process at the deepest molecular level. This dual approach ensures that you are not only stopping the damage but actively replacing what was lost over years of wear and tear and aging. Nature provides everything we need. These foods are far superior to synthetic supplements because they contain a complex matrix of minerals that support joint health. Your body recognizes these natural nutrients immediately, directing them to the areas of highest need, such as the knees, hips, and lower back where pain resides. Consistency is key. By making these a regular part of your weekly meals, you create a constant supply of materials for your body's nightly repair cycles. Now that we have built the foundation, let us look at the specialized lubricants and protectors that will safeguard your newly formed cartilage from damage. Our third superfood is turmeric, but the real secret is the combination with black pepper, which contains a compound called piperine that changes everything. Curcumin, the active part of turmeric, is poorly absorbed on its own. However, adding just a pinch of black pepper increases its absorption by 2,000%. This combination acts as a powerful natural painkiller without the harsh side effects of pharmaceutical drugs on your stomach lining or your kidney health. Curcumin blocks the enzymes that eat away at your cartilage. It acts like a protective shield, allowing the repair work we discussed earlier to happen undisturbed. Fourth on our list is the incredible combination of avocado and soy. Together they form a medical-grade compound known as ASU, or avocado soybean. Unsaponifiables medical professionals refer to ASU as internal sunglasses for your cartilage. It protects the delicate chondrocyte cells from being destroyed by the enzymes of aging. Studies have shown that regular intake of ASU can significantly slow down the narrowing of joint spaces, which is the hallmark sign of advanced arthritis. It helps your body produce more of its own natural lubricant, ensuring that every movement is as smooth as silk, even if you are over 60. When you use these foods, you are not just treating symptoms, you are fundamentally changing the biology of your joints to be more resilient and youthfully functional. These aren't just healthy foods. They are bioactive modulators that speak the language of your cells, telling them to stop breaking down and start rebuilding. The research on ASU is particularly exciting for those with hip and knee issues, as it is one of the few substances shown to preserve joint structure. Think of this as a strategic intervention. You are using the power of plants to override the genetic signals of decay that often come with age. As the inflammation drops and the lubrication increases, the pressure on your nerves decreases, and that nagging, deep-seated pain finally begins to fade into a memory. We have one final superfood to cover, and it is perhaps the most important one for making all the others work together effectively.